Hi everyone, this is Sue Miller from Fabric Garden Australia. Welcome along to my sew along. This month we'll be doing month 1 of Jen Kingwell's Psychedelia quilt along. This is a block of the month program and it runs for 12 months. You can purchase either the pattern and templates only and use your own fabrics, or alternatively you can sign up for the block of the month run by me. You'll get your fabric pack together with the pattern and templates every month. I intend to use a colourful palette similar to what Jen Kingwell's using. So in your first month you'd be getting a fabric pack which consists of a lot of K-facet fabrics as well as a black, well, as far as possible I'm going to attempt to use the same black and white or similar black and white fabrics to Jen Kingwell. So it's going to be fun trying to match those up. The first month the block looks something like this. The block is called Architecture. Can't quite pronounce it, but that's what it is. And this is what the block looks like so far. I've just started it over the last couple of days. I'm going to be doing this by hand piecing it, rather than rotary cutting, I'll be cutting it by hand using the templates. I'm just going to enjoy doing some hand sewing, to be honest. So I'm going to try to regularly post a video showing my progress and my tips and tricks and what I've learned along the way. There is also a quilt along run by Jen Kingwell and a private group which you can join. I'll put the link to the Facebook group below this video, and I'll also put a link below this video to my website so that you can actually sign up for this program should you wish to. And also, yeah, you could follow me along on Instagram. My Instagram account is just Fabric Garden.